Hi class.
Hi.
Okay, so today we're going to learn about patterns. Do you guys know what a pattern is?
Yes.
Yes? What is it? Give me an example, Melissa. That's a pattern? Yes. Anybody else has an idea? Melissa? Okay, so it's something like what? It's expected to repeat, right? It's like an object, or it can be a color, it can be a shape that repeats, right? So I'm going to go ahead and draw one example of a pattern. This is blue. And that's red. Is that a pattern?
Yes.
Why is it a pattern?
Because it repeats.
It repeats? Okay, one at a time, and you have to raise your hand, okay? So which, Melissa, can you tell me the part of the pattern that repeats? Come and circle it for me. Circle the pattern, the part that repeats. Oh, okay. So how many times does it repeat?
Two.
2 times? Okay. Now, what if I did this? Is that a pattern?
Yes.
Yes? Why is it a pattern, Jaden? It repeats, right? So it's what? It's a B and an R.
B and
and
an
R,
R.
right? So we know it's a pattern because B and R repeat two more times. So it's expected. You already know that it's going to continue, okay? So I'm going to do another example. I'm going to use different shapes now. Okay, so will that be a pattern too?
Yes.
Yes, it also repeats, right? Okay, Alexis, can you come up here? Can you circle for me the part of the pattern that repeats? Which one does it repeat? Do you guys agree? Is that the part that repeats?
Yes.
Yes, right? Because it has 2 circles, 2 triangles, and 2 squares, okay? So now, Jailene, can you do for me a letter pattern with those shapes? You can use one color, it doesn't matter. And then circle the part that repeats. And it repeats how many times? 2 times. So it's the same thing, right? It repeats twice and twice, and it has 3 different ones, right?
Same, but you use shapes for the soccer.
And then you use what in the motor? Letters, right? Okay, so on your piece of paper, I have some manipulatives for you. If you want to use them, you can, but it's up to you. I left them there just in case you need them. And then I have 2 different colored crayons. So if you can go ahead and create a pattern for me on that piece of paper. And like I said, you can use the manipulatives or you can use the crayons. And just draw a pattern for me. Whatever you guys want to draw. Any pattern that you think you can do. And then I want you to circle how many times it repeats and what part of the pattern repeats, okay? So go ahead and draw me one. You can use any shape, any times that you want to repeat it, you can do it like that. ¿Tú vas a hacer un color? Okay, un color está bien. Okay. So you have 2 circles, blue circles, 1 orange, and then, okay, well make sure you do it correctly. Be careful about it. Don't do it all fast. Just be careful and then think. Don't forget. You do 2 triangles, 1 circle, and then. Okay, so come on.
I can do letters.
You can do letters, you can do numbers, you can do shapes, you can do colors, whatever you guys want. Yes? Okay. So, Eduardo, can you describe for me what a pattern is?
Actually, a pattern is what you repeat. It's repeating, and when you're finished, it's a pattern.
It's a pattern, okay. So it can be different what? Objects, it can be what else? What else can it be?
Letters.
Letters, numbers, yes.
Shapes.
Shapes, right? So anything can be a pattern as long as you have it, right? So what will be the pattern here? I have 1 boy and 2 girls. 1 boy and 2 girls. Is that a pattern? Yes, right? How many sentences?
That's a pattern. Right there. And a pattern. Wow, you did letters. That's good. Nice. A ver, ¿el tuyo?
I can do it now.
Nice. Sí. El tuyo.